back to Sarah Creations. If you're new to the channel, welcome as well. Today we're going to be building a red solo cup holder that will also hold 2 Sharpie markers. So for barbecues, home gatherings, parties, etc., you'll be able to pick up your red solo cup from this nice little tray and the marker, put your name on it, and off you go. I'm gonna walk you through my design that I made, and then I'll walk you through how I set up the CNC machine for this cut, and then you'll be able to watch it being cut, and we'll put the routed edge on there, oil it, and we'll be good to go. Once again, welcome back, and let's get to it. Here we have the design on Cardboard Create. This is a 7" by 7" piece of wood, and I think the thickness is a little under 1 inch once we put it on the machine. So I have about 3 different tool paths here. One of them is going to cut out the main circle where the cups will sit. The second one will cut out these 2 smaller holes where the Sharpies will sit. And then the third tool path will cut out the whole entire perimeter of the piece. Now if we go down here to show simulation, it'll actually give you a 3D design of what your piece is going to look like. You can see I have the tabs here. So once the CNC cuts all the way down to the bottom of the stock, it'll leave these tabs here, so the actual piece will stay connected to the stock. Therefore, you know, I've used the CNC and completely forgot to put tabs in one time, and then next thing you know, the whole piece comes loose and the CNC bogs down, and it's just not pretty. So always got to remember to put the tabs in there, and yeah. So let's get to cutting this thing, and it should be pretty smooth. For this project, I'm going to be using this piece of cherry, and also since I'm using the CNC to cut this out, I don't need to clean up these edges since the part's going to kind of come out of the middle of the piece of wood. The only thing I have to do is just run it through the planer to smooth down these flat edges so it sits perfectly flat on the CNC, and then the CNC will do the rest of the work. So we're gonna get to planing this, and then we'll get over to the CNC. And just like that, guys, the CNC cut this out in about 25 minutes. Now all I have to do is cut this out with a multi-tool, and then we'll do some sanding and put the router edge on there, and we'll be good to go. I'm gonna be doing 2 different types of routers, because you can see right there, that is where the tab was, right there, there, and there. So I want to smooth that out, get it level with the rest of the piece, and then we will put our round edge on there, and then get everything sanded up. here it is after 2 steps of sanding. I did 150 grit and 220 grit. 220 gritted all the edges to keep them, you know, so the sander didn't knock them down too much. I like to do that by hand. It's just more detailed and keeps everything uniform and where I want it. So here it is. After sanded, finishing it at 220, like I said. Now we're going to take it to the laser engraver. Going to slide this in, and then we are going to print some words right on the front, and then we'll flip it around and we'll put my logo on it. So here goes nothing. And there we have it. Got the logo on the back, and on the front it says mark your cup. Laser engraved on the front. All we have to do now is put some oil on it, let it dry, and then she'll be good to go. Guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the project, and I hope you learned a little something. Not really a lot of talking in this video because it was more the CNC doing all the work. But if you enjoyed it, you want to see more, hit the subscribe button down below, and also like this video, which is the best way to support me in growing this channel. Also, if you'd like to purchase this product that I made, visit the Etsy link. I'll have it linked down below, and it will also be in the bio of my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.